Hey guys, what's up? It's Nick here, and we're back for another episode of how to get better of editing in Sony Vegas, which is going to be going up on the TheEditingLife channel. And yep, let's get started. So hop into Sony Vegas, and the first thing you want to make sure you've done is go to File, New, and you just want to copy down these settings and click Start or New Projects with these settings, and then click OK. The next thing you can do is actually go get your clip. Mine's just a clip I recorded a second ago on a Monitor 2 of me just shooting the AK. Okay, and the first thing you want to do is make sure it's right click, Properties, Disable Resample, and untick Maintain Aspect Ratio. Then just pan crop and do the thing I showed you how to do in the first episode, which is bring them in a little bit. The next thing you want to do is go to File, Render As, and you want to click Main Concept avc/aac.mp4 format, and I've got a template which I labelled as HD quality, but my settings are width 1280 by 720 height, profile at main, frame rate at 59.94000. If I'm going to edit it afterwards, if you're not going to edit it afterwards, and you're going to upload it to YouTube, just stick it at 29.940 or whatever, because that's what YouTube will limit it at. The next thing you want to make sure is field order is at non-progressive scan, the pixel aspect ratio is at 1, number of reference frames is at 2, and the variable bit rate is checked, and you want the minimum at 10 million and the average at 10 million. You want to make sure you don't really need to touch the audio, just put it up to 320,000 if you want the audio to sound better, and you want the project video quality at best, and then you click OK. I'm just going to save this to my desktop and click save. I'm just going to let this render, and after it's rendered I'm going to show you the difference between the two. So yep, just going to let it render. Okay, so now it's rendered, I'm going to show you the difference between the two. So this is the raw file. I'm opening it up here. As you can see, it's just a standard file I just recorded off the PS3. Let's let this finish. Okay, so that's the raw file, and this is the one I just done with the render settings on. To me it just looks a lot better and a lot more cleaner and just an overall better quality looking thing. So yep, that's my render settings guys, and yep, I'll see you in episode 3, which will probably be a colour correction tutorial. So yep, this is Nick, see ya.